Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Mountain View Avenue and we're heading from Old Hope Road towards Deanery Road. Now Mountain View Avenue is a very popular road in Jamaica because it leads to the airport, the Norman Manley International Airport, and that's the main airport for the Kingston and St. Andrew area. So also on the right is coming up where you see those lights, that's the National Stadium. On the left at this intersection I have a hotel. Now you also have a lot of communities off Mountain View Avenue. Some of the more popular ones are Nannyville, which is coming up on the right as soon as we pass the stadium. Also, if you're heading to the Harbour View area or the Rockfort area, this is a road you would take. So on the left you have a lot of homes, and on the right you have okay, this is the Nannyville area now on the right. You also have the Excelsior Community College and the Excelsior High School off Mountain View Avenue. So coming up on the left now is not a residential area. That one is okay. On the left we're passing the Jamaica Rifle Association. Okay, where you see the orange on the right, that's Nannyville, and then on the left is Mountain Terrace. We're going to turn on Deanery Road, but if we were to continue straight, we would take Mountain View down to Windward Road, and then from Windward Road to Sir Florizel Glasspole Boulevard, and then onto the Palisades Strip, and then to the airport. Okay, on the right is the Excelsior High School. So we're going to turn right at this intersection and go on to Deanery Road. And the community college has a campus on the left, but there's also another campus right beside the high school. Alright, so this is now the Vineyard Town area. And when you think of Vineyard Town, the most popular location is St. Joseph's Hospital. Very popular hospital in Jamaica. I think it used to be a private hospital, but I think the government took it over, so it's now a public hospital. So this is Deanery Road, and we're heading towards Elliston Road. On the right is St. Teresa Catholic Church. Okay, on the left where you see the blue wall with a metal top, the black metal at the top, that's the St. Joseph's Hospital. On the right is a Clan-Clarty High School. Now, if we were to go straight, we go down to South Camp Road, the intersection of Camp Road and South Camp Road. But we're going to turn left here and go on to Upper Elliston Road. Now, when you think of Elliston Road, the most popular location is the police station on Elliston Road. I think that's the head of the traffic division. I know it used to be the head of the traffic division. I don't know if it's still located at that police station. So if anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Okay, at this intersection, we are on Upper Elliston Road. If we go straight across, we go on to Lower Elliston Road. And if we turn left, we will head towards Windward Road. And if we turn right, we head towards the downtown area. Alright, so on the left where you see the brick wall, that is the police station. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.